In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP Laser 108A printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now firstly, we need to bring up our Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once done typing, please wait until a BASMA should appear in this window before we continue. So once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue. And in a few moments, you would be able to bring up the Google Chrome browser. So once you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser, now wait until everything are set here before we continue. Okay, so please navigate at the search bar and type for HP space laser space 108A space printer space driver. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be able to be redirected to the result. So please proceed to the first result, click on it, and eventually you would be able to see this one, which is HP Laser 108A. All you need to do is you need to scroll down on the list, and under the direct product installation software that you can see there. Okay, an attachment file. All you need to do is you need to click on this download option next to it. So click on it. And from here, please navigate to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon. Click on it to check the download progress. So we just have to wait until this would be done. The speed of this download progress would be depend on the network or the Wi-Fi connection that you are connecting as of the moment. So we just have to wait until this would be completed before we continue to the installation. Once done, please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So we just have to wait until this process would be finished. And once we have seen the application that we have just recently downloaded, please make a right click. Okay, and go with the Scott icon. And from that, please close all of these windows. And from here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. Once you have pasted it, let's move on to the extraction of this file. So you can double tap to it and unzip the file, or you can simply make a right click. And from here, you need to navigate to the second to the last option, which is this one, and go with the extract to. You can use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So in a few moments, it will now start on the extraction. Please wait until this would be finished. Okay. And once a new file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it. So this is the time that we will now start the installation. So how we can do so, at the start icon, please make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So please wait until everything are set here before we continue. Once it's here, navigate to the left pane and look for Bluetooth and devices. Please tap on it. And from here, you need to proceed with the devices, and you need to scroll down here under devices settings and locate for related settings where you can see the more devices and printer settings. So please click on it. And eventually you would be able to bring up this kind of window which contains the devices and printers that you have. Here, please navigate to the option called Add a Printer being placed at the left side of the screen so that this window would show up where you can add a device. So the printer that I want is enlisted. Click on it and go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. So click on Next, go with this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be 001, 2, or 3. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you're good, click on Next. Okay, go with Have Disk. Click on Browse. Here, if you can adjust the size of this window, you can do so. And if not adjusting, that's completely fine actually. Okay, so from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see the desktop. Click on it. Proceed to the extracted file. Double tap to it. And from here, you need to locate for the printer. Double tapped. Go with the SPL. Double tapped again, and please select for HP rest stopped. Double tap to it, and eventually it will be set here. That is the time that you need to click on OK, and it will show up here, which is the HP Laser 103, 107, and 108, which what we're looking for, and you need to click on Next, and you can rename that into HP Laser Jet or Laser 108A. Once you have renamed that, click on Next and it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Your account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on running the installation. So please wait for some time until this would be done. Okay, it will only take less than 2 minutes. Okay, so please allow for printer sharing. I suggest and click on Next. And if you would like it to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. And you can also run to print the test page. Then go and finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP Laser 108A in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.